Ever feel like your bedroom's still stuck in last season, like it's wearing a heavy coat when it should be floating barefoot through a field? Time to soften the space, brighten the energy, and make it truly yours. Today, we're sharing 15 cozy ideas for a summer-ready cottagecore bedroom. The kind that smells like lavender, looks like a Jane Austen daydream, and feels like a warm breeze on sun-kissed skin. Before we begin, a warm, heartfelt welcome to Sweet Magnoliaa, your go-to for everything cozy, curated, and beautifully lived in. Ready to wander into wonder? Let's begin. One, start with the bed. Your story begins here. Linen sheets, washed cotton, let the wrinkles stay, they whisper softness. Top it with a floral quilt, slightly faded like a memory. Pile on the pillows. Not perfect, but plenty. Curate your nightstand like a tiny altar of comfort. Place a well-loved book, a bud vase holding something fresh from outside, a candle, vanilla, vetiver, or something that smells like home. Let it glow, let it ground you. Three, hang sheer curtains that dance in the breeze. Watch how the light shifts through them. Frame a pressed flower in gold, a little preserved moment. Let the windows tell stories. Weave in texture with rattan, cane, and soft underfoot rugs. Add a tray with trinkets, a ring, a shell, a tiny painting. Tuck wildflowers into a teacup. The more whimsical, the better. Five, let everyday things become part of the decor. Hang a straw bag on a hook. Drape a robe that makes mornings feel like a spa. Place a mirror where it can catch the early light, golden and generous. Let the scent of lavender drift from your sheets, or tuck a sachet into your pillowcase. It's like a lullaby, subtle, sweet, and grounding. Layer textures like a painter layers light. Gauzy throws, scalloped pillowcases. A soft patchwork blanket folded at the edge of the bed. Bring in a vintage lamp, one with a pleated shade or ceramic base. Something that glows amber. It's not just light, it's atmosphere. Choose art that tells quiet stories. Framed botanicals, tiny landscapes with winding paths, old postcards tucked into the mirror's corner like secrets. Soften your lighting and your soul. Fairy lights tucked into a glass jar. A candle in a teacup. A tiny chandelier if your heart dares to dream. Let nature wander in. Keep a potted herb on the windowsill. Basil or rosemary. Place a branch in a bottle, perfectly imperfect. Place a woven basket at the foot of the bed. Fill it with favorite reeds or your coziest knit throw. It says, "Stay a while." Pick a palette that feels like sunlight and soft skies. Think sage, blush, buttercream, or daisy white and cornflower blue. Let it be whatever makes your shoulders drop in relief. Repurpose with charm and whimsy. Lean an old ladder against the wall to hang throws. Use a drawer turned sideways as a rustic shelf. Let time-worn pieces whisper history. 15. And remember, it's okay if it's imperfect. A chipped teacup, a wrinkle in the linen, a flower that's almost too wild. That's where the magic is. That's where the soul lives. If this felt like a soft nudge to refresh your space, subscribe for more cozy daydreams from Sweet Magnoliaa, because your home should be a place that holds you gently.